Since I was young, I adored flying, addicted to racing, imagined the feeling of flying a plane in the sky. Certainly, I am unlikely to be a pilot, but this dream has hovered for many years. Whenever I look up at the sky, I always hope that I will have a cloak like Superman. The drones made up for my regrets when I stumbled across the Hubsan F22 fixed wings at the first sight. It was the closest time to realize my dream of flying. Its ability to take off and land, and the way of flying, just like I am flying a real plane. It gave me the fantastic flying experience in speed and operation. Look at its flying performance, especially when wearing this goggle. Yes, I am sitting in the cockpit. Now I am a qualified pilot. Record a video or take a photo. This is very cool. Hubsan F22 breaks through the margin. Easy to control, one key to take off, return, and land. Ensure the safe flying. I only need to control the aircraft. Spiral in the air. I am going to enjoy a delightful race. Ready? Superman!